Now we're going to look at problem 8-38 from the H8-1 D2 homework. The directions read, for each pair of intercepts given below, write an equation for a quadratic function in standard form. Remember, standard form is when we're looking at something like ax squared plus bx plus c. We don't want the factored form, we want the standard form. Well, if we know that these are x-intercepts, right, that also means that they're roots. So when y was 0, x was -3. When y was 0, x was 2. And then we can take these and rewrite them as factors. Right? This would be x plus 3 as a factor. Actually, let me write it this way. X plus 3 equals 0, just to make sure everybody's good with it. Right? And then this one would have been x minus 2 equals 0. Right? When you were doing your zero product property and you solved it to get 2 and -3. So let's put these factors, right, this part of it and this part of it back into our expression. We've got x plus 3 times an x minus 2. We know that equals 0. And to put it into standard form, we're just going to FOIL it out, right? So we'd have an x squared. We'd have what, minus 2x plus 3x would be like plus an x minus 6 is equal to 0. And that would be the equation in standard form. Same thing can happen in the next one, right? If we know that we have -3, 0, and then we have 1/2, 0. So you can always say that x plus 3 would have been the factor for where we got -3. And then we could say x minus 1/2, right, for the second one. Now you got x plus 3, and then you've got an x minus 1/2 as your two factors. Some people may not like this, though, having to deal with the fraction, right? So, because x minus 1/2 equals 0, we know that the answer is 1/2. But what if we don't want to have fractions in it? Well, let's just take this entire equation that we have here, this x minus 1/2 is equal to 0, and let's get rid of the fractions. Right, I'm going to multiply both sides times 2, and you'll see what I have here is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This factor could also be used because it gives you the same root value. So instead of just starting with this part, let's just go ahead and go to this, x plus 3 times the quantity of 2x minus 1. Now in either case, you're going to take either one of these and you're going to FOIL it out to get your answer. To me, this one looks easier to FOIL it out, so let's do that. We've got 2x squared minus x plus 6x minus 3, or 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. If you did it with the x minus 1/2, you're just going to have to probably divide everything up here by 2 in that final answer. Okay, so that is the answer for 8-38. If you have additional questions, mark them down. I'll be happy to help you whenever I can. Thanks.